In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a lagging laptop running Windows 10 or 11 in 2025. If you've been experiencing slow performance and want to speed things up, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a couple of simple steps that can make a significant difference in your laptop's responsiveness. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's take a look at how to manage the programs that start up every time you boot your laptop. Frequent culprits of slow performance are those programs running in the background unnecessarily. To get started, press Ctrl, Shift, and S simultaneously to open up the Task Manager. Once it's open, click on the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that launch when your laptop starts. Right-click on any apps that you don't need immediately upon startup and select Disable. This doesn't uninstall the app, it simply prevents it from starting automatically every time you power on your laptop, potentially saving precious startup time and resources. Next, let's clean out your temporary files, which can pile up over time and hog space. Begin by pressing the Windows key plus R simultaneously. This will bring up the Run dialog box. In the box, type %10% and hit Enter. You'll see a folder with a bunch of files you likely don't need. Go ahead and select all of these files and then hit the delete key. Don't worry, the files in this temporary folder are safe to remove. Occasionally, some files might not delete right away because they're still in use, then feel free to skip those. If you want to be even more thorough, you can clean temporary files through the Settings menu. Click on the Start button and go to Settings, then select System, and finally, Storage. Here, look for temporary files. Windows will scan for these, and you can review them before you hit the delete button. This step can help free up valuable space on your hard drive, contributing to better performance overall. So there you have it. By managing startup programs and clearing out temporary files, you should see a noticeable improvement in your laptop's speed and efficiency. It's amazing how just a couple of steps can potentially resolve lagging issues and make your laptop run smoother. Remember, doing these tasks regularly can help maintain your laptop's performance in the long run. I hope these tips prove helpful and that your laptop is running more smoothly now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.